episode, we're going to talk about dresses. Please don't mind if you see any crinkles or creases in my dresses. I haven't ironed all my dresses before I shot this video. I literally pulled this out of my cupboard and just trying it on. To save some time, I'm going to try it on and show you guys instead of showing it and then trying it on separately. And hopefully you will enjoy this video. If you haven't watched my previous video, I'll put the link in the description as well. Please go check it out and also give it a share and like if you really like this video. Thank you. So let's get started. This dress is from M&S and I really like it. It's got buttons all the way around. You can wear this like a jacket. So if you have like a sleeveless top and a jeans on, you can wear this like a jacket in the summer. This is more like a summer dress, but I do wear it in the winter with leggings or tights. So this dress is also from M&S. It's got details on the sleeves, as you can see. It's elasticated here. This is really good, and it's the same similar kind of elastic on the waist as well. It's a little bit off on the deep side, and also who doesn't love a dress with pockets on? It comes to mid-calf, as you can see. So this dress is also from M&S. I really liked it because of the green color, and also I like the sleeves. So I like playing with the sleeves all the time. And it is a more like a fitted dress. So how this closes is like it's got a zip at the back, and this gives you like more like a fitted dress kind of a feel. When I bought this, the sleeves were out of fashion, but then it started coming back to fashion again. And I would again wear this with a black tights because it's got black, white, pink. So if you want to be really funky, you can wear like a pink kind of tights if it's cold, or you can just wear it like this. I usually wear like a black tights and black shoes to go with this, and you can style with this like a white, green, any colors which is on the dress, you can style this with it. And this is what it looks like. So this dress is a lace dress. You can see the skin through the lace here, but it's all like lined. It's got a line underneath it, so you can't see anything through this dress. This is more like an evening wear, or if you want to go out for dinner or like a date night kind of a dress. Is more like a structured dress, and it's got two buttons at the back here. So that's how you tighten the dress. So this dress is also from M&S. My video is not sponsored, I just have so many dresses from M&S. This dress is really nice. Again, it's got no lining on the sleeves, so it's a little bit see-through on the sleeves, but it's got lining on the dresses, as you can see. And it's been cut in like a, I don't know what this is called, cut in a different way. So when you move, you get a lot of movement at the bottom, so when you're walking around, your dress is just floats, basically. This is again more like a summer kind of dress that I would wear. Again, you can wear this to work. I have been wearing this to work, or just going out, sitting in a park or anything like that. This is more like a casual, just like everyday wear kind of a dress. So I'm not going to try this dress on. I'll just put a picture up on top somewhere here. This is really nice because it is more like a summer dress, so I will not wear this in winter. It's got really nice embroidery, so all these blue bits on the patterns on here is embroidered, and it's got a lace design here. And also what I really like about this dress is all you need to do is pull on the side and tie the waist up, and it's got a little pom-pom. It's not pom-pom, it's these little things that gives me really cute vibes. Dress is really good. I've never seen anything like this similar anywhere. So all you need to do is just like tighten here, and then it will structure your waist. It does come to a mid, so it's more like a long dress, so it does come to up to here for me. You have a button at the top, so you're not gonna see any of your neck at all. This is very comfy in the summer, very airy, very posh and classic vibe. All you need is a bag in here and a little bizarre model. So this choking on my hair. Okay, so this dress is also from M&S. I like it because I can do this with the collar of the neck. And again, it's long sleeved and it's got pockets, so that's really good. Oh, open tissue. Anyway, and so this is really good for the winter. It gives you a warmth, and it also gives you a little bit flow at the bottom. This is more like a structure, so it's like hugs your body. If I'm wearing this dress and I feel bloated and don't really want to, close to hug my body, I just put a scarf on. So it looks like you look nice, but also you don't feel uncomfortable because you got a massive giant scarf on. And this one doesn't have any buttons, zips or anything, so the only way to put this dress through is by literally pulling this over your neck. It's going to mess up your hair. You're going to do your hairdo, then put this dress on, so be careful. Other than that, this is really nice. Again, I would probably wear like a black or blue tights and then just wear like a white blouse or something. So this dress is also from M&S. It's got pockets. I will not wear this in the winter because it gives me cold, chills. If there's like a swish of wind, it's one of some fabrics where you get like a swish of wind, you become really cold really quickly. So I would usually wear this more in a summertime or like an autumn time. And it's really nice because I really like the flower, and I don't have a color in olive green. And this is really good because I've got detailed buttons on here and also on the cuff of the sleeve here. The long sleeve is really good. It gives me like I run a house in a farmhouse somewhere, and I'm going to go in my garden to pick some wild flowers and put it in my dining table. I usually style this dress is I got a yellow belt on, so I'll just tie the belt and give me a more like a structured waist, and also like a yellow bag or like a brown bag. That's probably the vibe that I'm going for with this dress, and probably like a brown sandal with brown bag and brown belt will also work. This dress is long sleeved and it's got elastic on here. You need to wear something like this underneath this dress because this dress is see-through. When I bought this, I didn't think it was see-through, but it is see-through unless you're wearing like tights and stuff, and you're fine. Again, this is really nice. It gives you enough V to put on the V on the neck to put on the clothes, and got really nice buttons here. Doesn't have any buttons anywhere else, and it's got elastic on here. I bought this because of the pattern on this. Again, you can wear like a blue or black or any of these color tights, or even a plain black tights would be good. And you can wear this to work anywhere you want. This is again anything for any occasion kind of a dress. So this dress is from Sainsbury's. Yay! I bought this dress probably 3 or 4 years ago. I really like this, and it's got a black, white and a red pattern on it. It is good if you're going to wear this to office because you can just wear like any of these colors or like a black tights. It's got a deep V-neck, so I usually put a tights underneath it, so then all my chest and everything is covered. It's got a pattern like a little buckle here. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't help you tighten or anything, unless if you are a person with a really small like waist. What you can do is you can pull it and just do it here, but I don't do that. I like the flow of this, and it doesn't have any slits or anything. The only way to put this through is you've got a really deep neck, so you can just put it on over your head, and that's it. So this dress is from H&M. I really like this dress because of the pattern of it, and it's got a tie. You can just, it's going to be known to me after, but take this off and have this. So usually tie like a bow here, and that is one of the really nice what's it called, design of these dresses. And the fabric of this is thicker than the normal floral dresses that you get, and it's got pockets. What more could you want? It's got button at the back, so you got one button here. To be honest, I leave it open because the only annoying thing is when you need to move somewhere, or I feel suffocated if I put the button on, because the neck is very high on this one, it's not even low. So even if you put the button on, after some time your dress goes backwards, you feel like you're choking on your dress, to be honest with you. So I usually like leave it like this. And again, this dress is one of them things that you could wear anytime and feel comfortable in it, because it's really flowy, it's not hugging your body. And if you want, you can usually style it with like a green or a black belt to give you more waist to define. And you can wear this for a dinner, eating out, anything you want, even just going for a walk if you wanted to dress up that. And yeah, I really like this, and it gives me like a really home free feel, free and airy feel. So this dress is from Primark, and when I put this dress on, it gives me a Sabrina vibe. So there's a show in Netflix called Sabrina the Teenage Witch. The Teenage Witch, I think so. And in the first season, I think she wears something very similar, like dresses like this or like tops like this. So this gives me that vibe. This dress is also good if you go in for an interview, because it's not too much extra. And if you could put like a tights on and black shoes, you're good to go for an interview, and you don't have to like look for tops and skirts and all that things. And again, this is not body hugging, it's like a very airline dress, I think this is called. I like it because of the cuffs on here and on the sleeve. It's got a button at the back here. Again, I'm too lazy to put on, so I usually leave it like this and go. I feel like I can do this as well. And it is thick fabric compared to the other dresses I got. It's really good if you're going for a work, office wear kind of thing. And it gives me like a cute teenage girl vibes with my head. This dress is from Matalan. I really like this because of the pattern, and it's more like a shirt dress. It's got buttons all the way down here. It's really good to wear in a somewhere like a jacket. So if you got like a shorts or like a jeans on and like put a vest top on, it's really good. Like, and it gives you like a flow, like you're putting on a cape. So I really like this dress. And again, this is more like a summer dress. Most of my dresses I got is like a summer, so a few that I would wear in winter time. That's why I stick to trousers when I go to work. And so these are all the dresses that I got on a casual wear. I will do another video which I got few for going out or like a party wear, which I'll be doing another video on. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. And if you haven't watched any of my previous video, please go to my Instagram IGTV, and on there you can see I created a series called Loving Your Wardrobe Again. And also, if you want to know how I do my curly hair, you can also watch my series on there called Loving Your Hair Again. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and come back next time to something different. I will do a part 2 video on dresses for going out or nightwear that I've got in my wardrobe. And that's it. Thank you for watching.